Broken sleep may be stealing the best part of your morning. You can spend the whole night in bed and still wake up feeling heavy, foggy, and tired. The room was quiet, your eyes were closed, but your body never seemed to reach the deep rest it needed. Being in bed all night does not always mean your body reached deep sleep. Your nerves need to calm down. Your muscles need to loosen. Your brain needs to make the right sleep signals, and when key nutrients run low, night cortisol can stay too loud. Today, we are going through 5 powerful sleep nutrients that may help calm night cortisol and fix broken sleep from the inside. Number 5. Vitamin D. Some mornings start with a tired feeling you cannot explain. You may have gone to bed on time, you may have stayed in bed for hours. You may even remember sleeping. But when you wake up, your head feels cloudy, your body feels slow, and the first thought of the day is, why am I still so tired? That feeling can be frustrating because you did the part everyone talks about. You gave yourself enough time to sleep. But deep sleep is not only about time. Your body also has to know when to settle down, when to repair, and when to wake up again. This nutrient matters because it helps support that daily sleep and wake rhythm. Most people know it for bones, and that part is important, especially as you get older. But your body also uses it in the brain, the immune system, and many quiet systems that affect how rested you feel. When your level is low, sleep may feel weaker. You may still close your eyes, but your body may not move as smoothly into the deeper rest that helps you wake up clear. The night passes, but the morning still feels heavy. This can happen more easily after 70. Many people spend less time outside. Some avoid sun because of skin concerns. Some have trouble walking far enough to get steady sunlight. And as you get older, your skin does not make vitamin D from sunlight as well as it once did. Food can help, but many people do not get enough from food alone. Good sources include salmon, sardines, trout, egg yolks, fortified milk, fortified plant milk, and some fortified cereals. These are simple foods, but they may still not be enough if your level has already dropped. That is why guessing is not the best move here. A blood test can tell you if you are low, normal, or too high. That matters because more is not always better. Taking large doses without checking can cause problems, especially with calcium levels. Too much can bother the stomach, hurt the kidneys, or cause other health issues. If your doctor says you are low, ask what dose fits your body. Your age, kidney health, other health problems, and medicines all matter. Many people take it earlier in the day with food, especially with a meal that has some fat, because that can help your body absorb it better. It does not need to be taken right before bed just because we are talking about sleep. The mistake is thinking every sleep problem needs a stronger sleep aid. Sometimes your body needs a missing basic checked first. If you have been waking up tired, feeling low in the morning, or feeling like sleep never really gives you back your energy, this is a simple place to ask your doctor about. You are not trying to force sleep with this one. You are trying to help your body's sleep system work better in the background. And once that rhythm has better support, the next nutrient may help with a different reason sleep stays broken, especially when your body feels sore, stiff, or unsettled at night. Number 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Sometimes the bedroom is quiet, but your body keeps bothering you. Your knee aches when you turn. Your shoulder does not like the side you are lying on. Your back feels tight. Your legs feel restless under the blanket. You keep moving around, trying to find the one position where everything finally feels calm enough to sleep. That kind of night can make you angry at your own body. You are trying to rest, but your body keeps interrupting you. These healthy fats may help because they support a calmer body. Most people hear about them for heart health or brain health, but they may also help sleep quality. They do not knock you out. They help support the kind of body state where sleep has a better chance to stay steady. A simple word to know here is inflammation. That means irritation inside the body. When the body feels irritated, it can stay more alert. You may not wake up fully every time, but your sleep can stay light because the body keeps sending small warning signals. You may feel this as tossing and turning. You may feel it as waking up sore. You may feel it as a night that had sleep in it, but never felt peaceful. Omega-3 fats may help support the body's response to that irritation. That is useful because deep sleep is easier when your body is not fighting so much noise inside. If pain, stiffness, or soreness keeps pulling you toward the surface, your sleep may never feel heavy enough to refresh you. These fats also support the brain. Sleep is controlled by signals in the brain, and your brain needs healthy fats to work well. When your brain and body are under stress, sleep can become less steady. You may spend enough time in bed, but the sleep does not feel as useful. The best food sources are fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, trout, mackerel, anchovies, and herring. Sardines can be a good choice because they are easy to keep in the pantry, soft, and usually less expensive than fresh fish. Salmon or trout a couple of times a week can also help if they fit your budget and diet. Plant foods like walnuts, chia seeds, and flaxseed are healthy too. They have a different kind of omega-3. Your body has to change it into the form found in fish, and that change is not very strong for many people. So for this video, fatty fish is the clearest example. You do not need to make this complicated. A small salmon dinner, sardines with toast, trout with vegetables, or mackerel with a simple side can all help you get more of these fats. If you use fish oil capsules, be careful. Supplements are stronger than food. Fish oil may not be right for everyone, especially if you take blood thinners, take aspirin every day, have bleeding problems, or have surgery coming up. Ask your doctor or pharmacist before using it regularly. Also pay attention to timing. Some people get fishy burps, reflux, or stomach upset from fish oil. If that happens at night, it can make sleep worse. You may need to take it earlier with food, change the type, or focus on fish instead. This nutrient is not only about your heart. For broken sleep, it is also about helping your body feel less stirred up at night. If your body keeps aching, tightening, or pulling you out of rest, deep sleep has to fight through that. Helping the body feel calmer can make the night feel less broken. And the next nutrient helps with another kind of broken sleep, the kind where you wake up again and again, even when nothing obvious happened. Number 3. Zinc. Some nights do not feel terrible while they are happening. They just feel unfinished. You fall asleep, wake up, turn over, fall asleep again, and wake up again. Nothing loud happened. No big pain pulled you out of bed. No alarm went off. But when morning comes, the night feels chopped up and your body acts like it only got pieces of rest. That can wear you down because you cannot even point to one clear reason. You just know the sleep did not feel solid. This small mineral may help because your body uses it for many quiet jobs that happen in the background. Most people only think about it when they have a cold. They see it in cough drops or immune products. But your body also uses it for the brain, nerves, immune system, and repair. Those jobs matter at night because deep sleep is repair time. While you sleep, your body should be working on recovery. Your brain gets a chance to clear waste. Your muscles and tissues get time to repair. Your immune system gets a chance to reset. When sleep keeps breaking, that repair can feel incomplete. If your body does not get enough of this mineral, those quiet systems may not work as smoothly. Research on zinc in sleep is still growing, so we should not treat it like a guaranteed sleep fix. But it may support better sleep quality in some people, especially when intake is low. The feeling to pay attention to is recovery. You may sleep, but do you recover? Do you wake up feeling steadier, clearer, and more ready for the day? Or do you wake up feeling like the night never finished its work? Good food sources include oysters, beef, turkey, chicken, pumpkin seeds, beans, chickpeas, yogurt, and fortified cereals. Oysters have a lot, but most people are not eating oysters every week. Pumpkin seeds are easier. You can add them to oatmeal, yogurt, soup, or salad. Beans can go into soup or a simple side dish. Chicken, turkey, beef, and yogurt are normal foods many people already know how to use. That matters because the best change is the one you can actually keep doing. If you think about a supplement, the dose matters. More is not better. Too much can make your stomach hurt, cause nausea, leave a bad taste in your mouth, and lower copper over time. Copper is another mineral your body needs, so you do not want to throw one mineral off while trying to fix another. It can also get in the way of some medicines if taken too close together. This can happen with certain antibiotics and thyroid medicine. If you take daily medication, ask a pharmacist about timing. One common mistake is taking it on an empty stomach at night. Many people feel sick when they do that, and nausea before bed is the last thing you want. If a supplement is needed, many people do better taking it with food, but your doctor or pharmacist can help you decide what is safest. Food sources are usually the gentler place to start. This one is important because broken sleep is not always dramatic. Sometimes it is just a night that never feels complete. You wake up with that dull, worn-out feeling, and it follows you into breakfast, errands, and the rest of the day. Your body needs materials to repair. Zinc may be one of those materials. And the next nutrient is tied even more closely to the brain's sleep signals, especially for people who feel sleepy at the wrong time, then lose that deep sleep once they finally get into bed. Number 2, tryptophan. You can feel sleepy after dinner and still miss deep sleep later. Maybe you nod off in the chair while the television is on, your eyes get heavy, and you think tonight should be easy. Then you get ready for bed, lie down, and somehow the strong sleepy feeling fades. You may still sleep, but it feels thin. You drift in and out. Morning comes and your body still does not feel restored. That can happen when the body is tired, but the brain does not have a strong sleep signal. This nutrient is an amino acid. That simply means it is one of the building blocks found in protein foods. Your body can use it to make serotonin, and serotonin helps make melatonin. Melatonin is one of the messages that tells your body nighttime has arrived. The simple version is this. Your body uses it to help make sleep signals. You may have heard the old joke about turkey making people sleepy. Turkey does contain this nutrient, but it is not magic, and one meal will not fix years of broken sleep. The more useful point is that your brain makes sleep chemicals from the nutrients you eat. If the building blocks are low, the signal may be weaker than it should be. This matters as you get older because many people eat less protein than they used to. Cooking may feel tiring. Chewing may be harder, appetite may be lower. Dinner may become toast, crackers, cereal, or a small sweet snack because it is easy and comforting. Those foods may fill your stomach, but they may not give your body enough building blocks for sleep and repair. Good food sources include turkey, chicken, eggs, milk, yogurt, cheese, tuna, oats, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and soy foods. These are normal foods. A simple dinner with chicken, eggs, fish, yogurt, or oats can support your body better than a night built mostly around sugar and crackers. A small evening snack may help some people, as long as it does not upset the stomach or make bathroom trips worse. Warm milk, yogurt, or a little oatmeal may work better than cookies or ice cream. The goal is to avoid going to bed underfed without eating a heavy meal that makes digestion work too hard. Deep sleep is also repair time. Your muscles, tissues, and brain need support while you sleep. If you are not getting enough protein through the day, your body may have a harder time doing that work well. But this is not the same advice for everyone. If you have kidney disease, follow your doctor's protein plan. Some people need special limits, so do not suddenly add a lot of protein because of one video. Supplements need extra care too. Tryptophan supplements can interact with antidepressants, anxiety medicine, migraine medicine, sleep medicine, and other drugs that affect serotonin. Mixing them without medical advice can be risky. For many people, food sources are the safer place to begin. The biggest mistake is thinking sleep only starts when your head hits the pillow. Sometimes sleep starts with how you feed your body during the day. If your body is missing the building blocks for sleep signals, the night may feel weaker before it even begins. You may feel tired, but the deeper sleep never fully arrives. This nutrient may help your brain make the messages that lead your body toward rest. And the final nutrient brings many of these pieces together because it helps the nerves, muscles, sleep signals, and stress system at the same time. Number 1, magnesium. By the time we reach number 1, we are talking about the nutrient many people can feel missing before they know what to call it. Your calves tighten in bed. Your feet cramp. Your legs feel restless under the blanket. Your shoulders stay tight. Your mind is tired, but it still feels like one small light is on inside. That kind of night is miserable because you are trying to rest, but your body does not feel settled. This mineral helps with several parts of sleep at once. It supports muscle relaxation. It helps calm the nervous system. It helps the brain use calming signals. And it has one of the strongest links to this title because it has been studied in older adults with insomnia for sleep time, sleep quality, early morning waking, melatonin, and cortisol. Cortisol is not bad by itself. You need it in the morning to wake up and handle the day. The problem comes when that alert feeling stays too loud at night. Your body needs a way to come down. Your muscles need to stop gripping. Your nerves need to stop firing. your brain needs to feel safe enough to move into deeper sleep. Magnesium helps support that calming process. When levels are low, your body may feel more tense. Cramps may show up more often. Restless legs may feel worse. Sleep may feel light because the body cannot fully relax. Some people have trouble falling asleep, others fall asleep then wake too early. Some sleep for hours but never feel like they reached that heavy deep rest. It is also connected to GABA, one of the brain's calming messages. You do not need to remember the name, just remember that it helps tell the brain to slow down. Good food sources include pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews, spinach, black beans, avocado, dark chocolate, and whole grains. Pumpkin seeds are easy because you can add them to oatmeal, yogurt, salad, or a small snack. Spinach and beans can fit into normal meals. Almonds and cashews can help too, as long as they are safe for your chewing and digestion. Some people may run low because of diet, stomach issues, or medicines. Certain water pills, acid reducers, and other common medicines can affect magnesium over time. If you take several daily medicines and also deal with cramps, weakness, or poor sleep, ask your doctor if this should be checked. If you use a supplement, the form matters. Magnesium glycinate is often used for sleep because many people find it gentle. Magnesium citrate may help constipation, but it can also loosen the bowels too much. Magnesium oxide is common, but some people may not absorb it as well. The label dose matters. Do not take extra because you had a bad night. Too much can cause diarrhea, weakness, low blood pressure, and heart rhythm problems. People with kidney disease need special care because the kidneys clear extra magnesium from the body. It can also affect how some medicines absorb, including thyroid medicine, some antibiotics, and bone medicines. Ask a pharmacist about timing if you take daily medication. Here is why it matters so much for broken sleep. Your body cannot relax deeply if it does not have the tools to relax. You can turn off the lights, make the room quiet, and lie still, but the inside of the body still has to calm down. If your nights feel tense, shallow, and unfinished, magnesium is one of the first nutrients worth asking about. Deep sleep should help you feel repaired. When that does not happen, the whole day can feel different. You may wake up less patient, less steady, and less clear. You start the morning already wondering when you can rest again. Magnesium may help your body loosen its grip on the night, so sleep has a better chance to become deeper, calmer, and more useful. Before you take any supplement, talk with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you take medication or have kidney disease, heart problems, diabetes, thyroid problems, or blood thinner use. Food sources are usually the safest place to start, but supplements need more care. Now we want to hear from you. Do you wake up rested, or does your sleep still feel broken after a full night in bed? Tell us in the comments below. And if this helped you understand your sleep better, please like this video and subscribe so you never miss what we cover next.